Okay, welcome back to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. The star of the show today is my 72-inch King Kutter mower. I made a previous video where I removed the backhoe from this machine and installed the mower. We had a mechanical problem with one of the bolts that holds on one of the three blades, and I was unable to show you the mower in action. So that's what we're going to do today. This is a 72-inch, 3-blade, belt-driven King Kutter finish mower. And we're going to be taking it out in some pretty rough meadows. Let's see how it does. Here we go. Okay, taking another quick look at this machine. 4-wheel drive, hydrostatic driven. Of course, it's got a PTO. Runs at 540 RPMs. This mower has a gearbox and then belt-driven blade system. Okay, I thought this was a pretty good example to show you that this mower can handle some pretty tall grass. That's my inspector. This grass is probably 24 inches. Let's get back on the machine and make a few more passes before it gets dark. So that 4-wheel drive mower can handle a pretty decent side slope. Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching Uncle Jack's Outdoors. For more videos on this John Deere 110, you can subscribe to my channel. This stainless steel King Kutter 72-inch triple blade mower does a great job down here. It gives you a lawn-like look in what really is meadowland. Okay, say goodbye to the group. See y'all.